Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade vada. Begin by soaking 2 cups of urad dal for 4 hours to get a fluffy batter. Drain well and grind with minimal water until light and airy, then whisk the batter vigorously to incorporate air. Add salt, green chilies, cumin, curry leaves, and chopped onion for flavor and texture before shaping and frying. First focus on the batter because it determines the vada texture and fluffiness. After soaking, grind the dal with very little water until it forms a thick, smooth paste. Transfer to a bowl and whisk or beat the batter until it becomes slightly frothy, then fold in chopped onions, green chilies, cumin, salt, and curry leaves for balanced flavor before shaping. Shaping and frying determines the final look and crunch of your vada. Wet your hands and shape the batter into flat rounds or make a hole in the center for classic donut-shaped vada. Heat oil to about 350 degrees F and fry in small batches until golden brown and crisp. Drain on paper towels, serve hot with chutney or sambar, and enjoy the contrast of
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.